In this video, I'm going to show you Digistore24 affiliate marketing complete tutorial step-by-step guide for beginners. I'm going to show you everything what is Digistore affiliate marketing, how it works, how to find the most profitable products, how to promote those products and start making money. So guys, let's get started. Before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online with affiliate marketing, simple, straightforward way. So please consider subscribing and like the video. Now let's get started. So first things first, guys, as you could see my screen, if I just go on the home page, so this is the Digistore website. So what is Digistore? Basically, it's a website where you can find products and you can sell those products and you can get a commission. So if I just go on marketplace, again, it's very easy. This is how you can promote the products, and once you promote the product, you're going to get around 85% commission. So there are different products which you could choose from and you could promote. And as you could see, I've made a lot of money on Digistore affiliate marketing on this website, like $2,000, and again different products, and I'm going to show you the exact same strategy on how you could promote it. But first things first, how to find a really good product on Digistore. It's very simple, guys. All you have to do is select by sales rank or select by cart conversion, and then you could see over here flux are active. Scroll down, go on the next page, and also what you could do is, if you want to sell physical products, you can click here, click on supplements, and go on sales rank. So as you could see, there are a lot of products, and I would prefer selling these products because it's physical, right? Or else what you could do is just go on digital products as well, and then just click on popularity, right? So if I go on, just give me refresh. Yeah, so again keto is really working well as well. Then if I scroll down, genie script, so it's much more about manifestation. If you scroll down, I would say go on the next page, and then yeah, so I would say even this one, as you could see, the cart conversion is 2%, sales rank is 5 in physical products. So I would feel this one is really good. If I go on the sales page and the affiliate page, so again, this is the sales page with it's a fat loss supplement. Okay, so just this is the landing page of it, and this is the affiliate page. And again, all you have to do is click on sales rank, and you could see everything over here. And I would prefer something which has card conversion rate is good or cancellation rate is less, because over here you could see card conversion is good but the cancellation rate is 17%, right? And for me, again, if I sell this thing, my average earning would be around $73. So I feel if I'm putting so much of effort, obviously I deserve to get more payout. So now you know what is Digistore24 and how to find the most converting or the top trending offers. Once you know this thing, now again, it's about how do we promote it. So for me, the best way is, again, what you could do is just go on. So I'm going to show you two ways on how you could promote for free and start making money. First way is, again, just go on Instructables, WikiHow, or Ezine. Okay, so this is where you find articles. All you have to do is search fat loss, right? Fat loss. Okay. So once you're over here, I found a really good article over here on Instructables called Lose Weight Easy and Eat Whatever You Want. All I have to do is just download it over here. Once I download it, you just need to sign in and you can download it. So once you download it, this is how it looks. Now, next thing is we need to edit it. So you can just go on this website called Sajda. So it's a PDF editor. All you have to do is just upload your document. Now you just need to edit it. So all you have to do is just click over here. Okay. And then you just need to click on text. Okay. So first thing is just copy this text, come on over here, just paste it, and then you can increase the size of the text as well, right? So once this is done, now again, how to lose weight, and again, it has everything over here. And then again, this is it. Or I would prefer, like, let's delete this page as well. Okay, again, this one looks really good, right? And then we can increase the font to 24. No, that's gonna be a lot. Okay, how to lose weight, let's delete this one. Okay, now this is good, right? Amazing, right? Let this be there as well. Now what we could do is just delete this page. Next thing what we could do is we can create over here a whiteout again, and let's make this whiteout this. Make the color orange. Okay, now once this is done, now what we could do is all you have to do is just go over here. Let's say we are promoting this product called HB5. It's a weight loss product. Go on the affiliate page. So I've already opened it. Just go over here. This looks amazing. Now what you do is check for download email swipes. Open it up. Okay, and then let's see. Yeah, use the headline, right? Copy. Works in 30 seconds. Click here, right? Copy this thing. Go over here. Add a text. Okay, paste it. Click here. We can say click here. Space here. Control B. Now this is done. I could make this color white. I would prefer white. Looks good, right? Make it bold. Now next thing is that's done. Now all you have to do is just copy your affiliate link. So if someone buys the product from this link, you would get a commission. So come back over here and then that's it. Add a link. So I don't want to do this. I want to add a link, right? So just come over here. Let me go back. So over here, right? So add a link, and the link would be from here to here, and this would be the link. Paste your link. So all my editing is done. I've added the links on the both the pages. Now all you have to do is just click on download. Once this is downloaded, if I just open it up, so again, as you could see, if I click here again, you could see my link at the down on the top bottom left over here as well. Once this is done, all you have to do is go on Skillshare. So just come over here, upload a document, and then again just paste it over here, and then just sign up with Google or whatever it is. So once you're uploading your document, select a category. So it's going to be health, right? Healthcare or health and medicine. Tags would be weight loss, fat loss. Okay, fat loss, lose weight. Okay, now description, again, all you can do is just go over here, just say bye. Okay, come here, that's it. You can do publish. Once this is done, now the real way you can promote this article. Now all you have to do is again just come on Quora, okay, and then you can answer the questions over here. And trust me, you even Quora pays you when you answer question. Plus, you when you attach your PDF file, it's people are going to read it and they are going to buy it as well. So again, this is my PDF as well. So now as you can see over here, they ask you a lot of questions. All you have to do is again, last follow-up was 12 hours. What should I not do? How can I lose fat without doing sit-ups? So all you have to do is just click on answer and just type in your answer. The best thing is go on Chat GPT. So again, I've just asked Chat GPT how to do it, and again, it's coming up with an answer. I would just stop responding, just regenerate response. Okay, but all I have to do is again, that's it. Just copy these three. Okay, go back over here, just paste it. Okay, and then we could say, would you like to know more? Then check this article out. Okay, now once you're on Skillshare, just copy the URL and then paste it over here. Okay, and then you can just post it. So now as you could see over here, a lot of people would check my post right now, and if they open it up, they are going to check this out as well. And then obviously they're going to click over here because you're providing them value, you're answering your questions, and then you're providing value as well. So people would see over here, even on slide share, there are a lot of people who would read this. And trust me guys, there are tons and thousands of questions on the weight loss niche. So see, there's so many of them, and then you can just answer it and you're going to start making money. So this is one of the ways you can start making money with Digistore affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you as a bonus guys, as a bonus I'm going to show you one more way as well. So guys, here it is. The next best way is promoting on Facebook groups, right? So now this time let's take this product. Let's go back over here. Let me go back on Digistore24. Now let's say we are promoting this one, right? It's Genie script, which means again it's all about manifestation, law of attraction, how to make money online, and all of these things, right? Enter your email to access 20. Okay, so now what you need to do is just copy this thing. Let me check the sales page. Okay, expose 20 scripts. Okay, enter your email to view the video and access. Okay, let me just check the product as well. So it's all about making money. Yeah, so it's all about all your dreams will come true and everything, right? Again, even the secret is here. So now again, just go, it's matching this thing as well. So as you could see over here, the top post, okay, so you can go on featured, you can find top post. I found this post, right, where it says the only way to attract wealth in 2023 is this. And again, it's an affiliate offer, right? So if I click here, so it's an affiliate offer on ClickBank, right? So again, if I, it's the same thing. So what you could do is repurpose the content. As you could see, success leaves clues. A lot of people are commenting and there's a lot of shares. Again, similarly, there are other ones as well where there is 500 comments, and again, it's again an affiliate product. Same thing over here, a different group, and again, they're promoting the same affiliate offer. So what I could do is can just copy the whole thing over here. Okay, go back on discussion, paste it, or maybe rewrite on my own words. Go to bit.ly. Okay, go on bit.ly, go back on Digistore, copy this thing. Once you're in your bit.ly, just paste it, create. Once you create it, you are going to get this one. All I have to do is just copy this. Okay, copy this, go back on the Facebook page, put my link over here. Okay, once that's done, so again you need to put an image as well. So again, Genie script is different. I am rich, I am rich. Just go on images, money, just type money, and then you can post a photo of this money, billionaires with money. Just type this, where you could post anything you want, right? So I would prefer, I like this photo, right? This looks really good, like the guy standing with money, or this one with his family, right? Again, make sure it's not a copyright image, and then you can just download it. It's just save image, download it, just go back over here, put your image, and then this is how it is, and then you can just post it, right? And then anyone who would click the link, I would get paid. But again, it's the same thing as well. Once it gets approved and a lot of people see, I will be rich soon, and a lot of people are interacting with this. And if I scroll down, yes, so this is how you could start promoting on Digistore24 for free traffic. And I hope if you really like the video, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.